Hey, do you like to work on professional video editor for free? Let me show you how can you get one for your Windows. Search HItfilm in the Google and it would take you to its online website. Click on Download Free button. And this will open up one form for you. Fill it up. And click on Send me the express download. It would then send an email on your email address with the link to download HItfilm. Then after few steps, it would start downloading. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.